Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to your girl's channel. So as you can see, my hair is fully done, back in the curls. If you watched my last video, I did have my hair in a sew-in. So as you can see in this clip, it was time for that to go. Like, I had it in since the end of January. I know for some people they do keep it up for a couple months, but I'm not that type of girl. Like, if anything that's in my hair, protective styles or any styles of that sort, it has to go. And as you can see, it was in desperate need. My hair was in desperate need for some TLC. I haven't had a tender loving care, that's what I call a full wash day routine on my hair in a very long time. December I had braids. I think I straightened it again before my birthday. Then I had a sew-in and that leave out part was being straightened as well. So your girl's hair has been through it all. And I think I have a little bit of damage, but good thing you can't see it right now. So I did a whole full wash day routine on this video, and if you guys would love to see what I did and what products that I use, make sure you're tuning in, and before doing so, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button if you're new to watching my videos. Okay y'all, so because my hair is like this, I can't just jump right into the shower. I have to do tender love and care, because as you can see, I have all of these pieces of my hair just wanting to shed, because I had my hair in under that sew-in and braids for about a month and a half, and before that I had braids. Yeah, your girl wasn't doing a lot of tender love and care to her hair. So because I need to kind of really do like smaller sections and really take my time with detangling my hair, I'm not just gonna jump right into the shower. So preparing this hair, because y'all, and I probably desperately need a trim, probably, because look at this. I'm sad. I'm really sad. But you know, us natural girls go through little trials, and it's okay. It's okay. So we're in here together. You're gonna watch me do my full natural hair routine. I have done this before, but today it's gonna be a little bit intense, okay? Because haven't done this in a while. Been straightening and putting in braids, protective styles, everything. Yeah, haven't been doing this, so I look like this. But it's okay. We're gonna get back. So before I get started, guys, I wanted to kind of show you what I'm working with my hair right now. I already kind of showed you a little bit, but just a little up close of how my hair looks. And you can just tell that I desperately need a trim about how my ends of my hair look. It almost looks a little bit scary. But I'm not going to show this on camera, but what I'm about to do, as you can see, my hair is in sections, and as I mentioned, I'm about to detangle. But what I did put in my spray bottle here, I put oil, water, and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, just so I can detangle this, whatever this is, a little bit better versus if I go in the shower. Sometimes when you go straight into the shower, it causes a little bit more tingles versus if you just slow down and put it into sections, as I'm about to do here. So because look at this. Yeah, definitely need some real tender love and care. But I'll be back with y'all. Just wanted to show y'all what I'm working with currently and what I gotta do for the next couple months to get my hair back. But definitely gotta get a trim, because look at, ooh. Okay, so you see this section of my hair and you see how hard it is to pull this apart. Like if I were to just do this, it'll be hard to detangle my hair right now. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what I'm doing. So this method is, I do like to put like a little bit of water, oil, and a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I just spray it on my hair. It acts kind of like a pre-poo in a sense. I don't really put a lot of product in there because of course I'm about to wash my hair, so I don't need extra product in my hair, but it just acts as a detangler and it just smooths. This is exactly why I wanted to do this process on my hair first before, and it needs some more because as y'all can see. But this acts as a detangler. and it's just easy to get through. It is a 1, 2. I mean, you saw a little struggle there, but it's not as bad if I would just supposedly just use water on my hair. Especially with how my hair was super detangled, especially when I leave it in that high bun for a couple of days, my hair is super detangled. But just using that little method there before getting into the shower, because once you get in the shower and you haven't detangled your hair and your hair is that tangled, it's really hard to manage your hair in the shower when you have so much tangle. So if you just take some time to detangle before getting into the shower, you'll see a big difference and you won't see so much shedding in the shower versus if you just take the time to detangle little pieces by piece. I know it's time consuming, but if you do that first, trust me, you'll save yourself some time, because I've done that in the shower after protective style braids, and I had a lot more damage versus if I just took my time to separate it before getting into the shower. So this is how much I have so far. It is considered a lot, but just point back, I have my hair under braids, under that sew-in for like a month and a half. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my hair after you see me detangle, and it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I was a little scared because I have been straightening my hair for a little minute, and I know if you straighten your hair, it's not going to cause so much damage right away. It takes a little bit of time, but I've been straightening my hair since off and on a couple times last year, and you saw that sewing I had in my hair. So, you know, I just noticed my leave out part that was out with the sewing, it's not as curly as it is in the back, but that's okay. You know, it's okay. So like I said, you saw that I detangled everything. I just wanted to make sure my hair was straight before I get into the shower. But let me kind of show you how much shedding, and it's kind of normal because like I said, I have my hair under braids, but I had this much that came out of this. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure I would have had a lot more had I detangled my hair in the shower and not in little pieces. So yeah, this is, I don't know what that is. I think that's a part of the string to the sewing. What? Okay, but yeah. So I'm about to go get in the shower, and yeah, let's get started. So I just finished rinsing out my hair, but y'all, just take a look and see how easy it is for my fingers to rake through my hair. All of those tangles are completely gone. So now I'm just going to get started with washing my hair, and the products that I will be using is from the CamilleRose line, the CamilleRose Sweet Ginger Cleanser, along with the conditioning custard. And then as my deep conditioner, I am going to be using the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. And don't just walk or jog, but run to get this mask. It is amazing. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and what is in my hair right now is a leave-in conditioner. I had washed and shampooed my hair, and also I deep conditioned for about 45 minutes to an hour, just so that deep condition can really penetrate through my scalp with that heat. So the leave-in conditioner that I did apply to my hair, and I did that in the shower because I feel like it's a little bit more beneficial. My hair was basically drenched versus when I get out the shower and apply the leave-in conditioner, it just takes a lot of spraying the water and then applying a lot of amount, where I can just apply a little bit amount, and a little bit goes a long way. So I did go in with the CamilleRose Curl Love Moisture Milk, and actually, like, it is really lightweight to my hair. A lot of products are very heavy and weigh down my hair, so this is not doing that at all. Like, you would never think I had droopy curls in the beginning. Like, you would never think my hair went from that to this right now. Like, it, you know, it's doing a little something. So now, because that leave-in conditioner is in my hair, I'm gonna go in with that CamilleRose Curl Maker. Basically, it's somewhat as a gel. So I'm going to put this in my hair next. But before doing that, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Curl Unleashed. It's a little bit thicker, so I'm going to apply a little bit of that. I'm not sure because, like I said, I don't want my hair to weigh down too much, but I don't want my hair to be frizzy as well, especially since I'm doing a wash and go. But I think these two are probably okay. Or I might go in with my mousse. I'm not sure. But I know for sure that I'm going to go in with this oil from CamilleRose. So I'm going to see. But definitely going in with my diffuser because I can't go like this. I cannot. Usually when I'm applying products in my hair, I do like to follow up with my demi brush, but since I'm doing a wash and go, I want to avoid that demi brush as much as possible. The demi brush does help with detangles and actually help with applying the products throughout your hair smoothly, but I can also do this raking with my fingers and also finger coiling my hair because I want to avoid shrinkage, and that demi brush caused a lot of extra shrinkage that I don't need, that I already have. So less shrinkage, the better. Okay, y'all, so I just finished applying that curl jelly maker from CamilleRose line in my hair, and I applied the oil as well. So I'm just gonna let this air dry for a good 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna use the diffuser to my hair. Okay guys, so I am back, and as you can see, my curls kind of shrinked up a little bit. I did let my hair air dry over an hour or so. So now I'm about to go in with my handy dandy diffuser. So my hair feels about 65% dry. So as you can see, it is a little bit drier versus from the last clip. My hair was a little bit elongated. Now that my hair is shrinking up, you can tell it's starting to dry out more. So I'm about to go ahead with this diffuser because of course at the top, your girl hair is still dry and the shrinkage is real. So let's go with the diffuser. Handy dandy Revlon. Whenever I do a wash and go in my hair, I love to go in with my diffuser because it does not only help with the drying process, one, but it also enhances curl definition and volume. And that's exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. Volume. When applying this diffuser, make sure you are keeping the diffuser in one section of your hair for a good amount of time before changing to a different section. And this will reduce less frizz. So as you can see, I'm just applying each section that I do apply the diffuser. I am taking a good amount of time to make sure that it is also drying that part of my hair that is still a little damp, and then I'll go ahead to another section of my hair and then do the same process. So now that my hair is completely dry, I'm now going to do the stretching method. And with this stretching method, as you can see, I'm just pulling down on my curls, not too much, but just so that this can help to elongate my curls. And don't do it as much as me because this will cause frizz and we don't want frizz. But because I do not like shrinkage, you'll see me kind of pulling on sections a little bit more than I should. But shrinkage does also mean healthy. But I don't know. I got to check with my stylist to see because that front part, it's not looking too healthy. But it still looks pretty good for the most part. Okay guys, so as you can see, these are the final results of my hair, and I absolutely love how my hair came out. And the reason why I'm smiling so hard because I used to hate wash and goes on my hair only because of the simple fact of the shrinkage. And there is a little bit of shrinkage there, but because of the method that I use with the diffuser and also the stretch out method, it just brought more volume to the curls. There is a little frizz going on a little bit because I got a little carried away, but other than that, that combination with that CamilleRose line and also with the method of diffusing and stretching, like it just did something to my hair. Like you would never believe my hair went from that to this. Like, come on, you would never expect that. Like the curls is curling, it's popping, it's doing something. And that was my first time actually using the CamilleRose curl maker jelly. I think it is. I could be lying, but you know, I usually stick to my holy grails, but that was my first time using that thing, and I definitely will use that again. Like, stop playing with your girl. Stop playing. I I definitely love those results. It's popping, okay? But I do thank you guys for watching and sticking around with me to the end. And if you have any recommendations for any other products that I should try and I should review, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, guys, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Peace.